Hello there, it's Cleveroad again, and today we're opening our doors for another Product Hunt review. Our goal is to present a batch of the coolest tech products which we think are worth your attention. So, let's get started. Hotel Tonight is by far the most popular travel service in the world. For those of you who missed it or just prefer a more traditional way of preparing for a vacation, we want to clarify that Hotel Tonight is a mobile application available for iOS, Android and Windows. It allows its users to find the best hotel accommodation at a discount up to 7 days in advance. The service doesn't stop amazing its users. Last year they added a new feature called Aces Concierge, which is about getting real-time consultation from a personal travel advisor. Now, this is a live communication, which is kind of strange considering all the fuss about artificial intelligence. Users are able to do things like ask for restaurant recommendations and reservations, or even getting extra towels delivered to their rooms. The only drawback in the past was that the concierge service was limited to just 5 cities: DC, LA, New York, San Diego and San Francisco. That situation has changed recently. Now Hotel Tonight is expanding its Aces Concierge to more than 30 cities across the Americas, Europe and Australia. The company announced that they are rolling out their Aces to everyone who books a hotel with a total room cost of more than $200 at solid, hip, luxe, charming and high roller hotels. Users get access to the chat line on the morning they check in and can use the service throughout their stay. The company claims that hundreds of thousands of messages have already been exchanged between users and Hotel Tonight's Aces. Even more interesting is that the average response time is only 23 seconds. This sounds like something you should try out ASAP. Our next review is an awesome GIF and video maker called CloudApp. You may ask, what's interesting about that? And we answer, its recent update. The developers assure us that they have learned a lot and are in the middle of a series of improvements. So the new version of the video maker is just the beginning of the amazing things to come. Let's see what we are capable of doing now with CloudApp version 3.9. Number 1, direct drag. Now you can drag images and GIFs from CloudApp in your menu bar to Slack, Google Docs, Gmail, Keynote presentation and others. Number 2, pause button. Techies, now your favorite feature, think recordings, is getting better. You can pause the GIF or HD screen recording you're working on. PS, to be honest, this improvement will be interesting for anyone, because recordings are thought to be the best way to explain or demonstrate something. Number 3, add team members. In short, now CloudApp users can add other CloudApp users. It's possible to invite them from the desktop or web app. So get your team on board and share your work. Number 4, preview shortcuts for GIFs and images. Preview the drop made from your Mac app drop down by clicking on an image and then hitting your spacebar. Number 5, annotation improvements. Blur something out, nailed it. Drawing a straight line, no problem. So hurry up and download the newest version of CloudApp now to take your video making experience to the next level. You'll certainly have fun with it. The last review for today is an application which will be an irreplaceable assistant in matters of real estate marketing. Meet Archilogic and its ability to convert plans and photos into interactive 3D models. But what's the use of Archilogic? The answer is pretty clear. Imagine you and your team are moving to another office. Okay, now imagine that the rooms in your future office are completely empty, but you have some idea regarding its decoration and other stuff. Archilogic can help you to see your future working space at its best. This service is a good tool for everyone: brokers, sellers, builders and buyers. because it lets them better understand the property's potential. What's interesting about it? Archilogic's 3D engine is optimized to ensure users' models load really fast, no matter what type of device they're using, PC or smartphone. No app or download is required. All you need is a modern browser. The service is also VR ready, so you can enjoy its virtual tours. Use your phone in landscape mode to experience Archilogic models in virtual reality. Customization is a big advantage of the application. You can add furniture, materials, architecture, landscapes and lighting right in the browser. Actually, Archilogic also has many more interesting features, so check out their site and explore it for yourself. Well, as usually happens, all good things must come to an end, and it's time to say goodbye. But we'll be back soon with a new, even more fascinating edition of Product Hunt Review, we promise. Meantime, there's lots of other interesting stuff on our channel just waiting for you. Go enjoy. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.